How decentralized networks are tokenizing real-world infrastructure into valuable digital assets. In today's digital age, decentralized networks are transforming real-world infrastructure into valuable digital assets through asset tokenization. This process could unlock trillions of dollars for blockchain networks, revolutionizing finance and Web3 applications by converting physical assets into blockchain-stored tokens. Asset tokenization leverages distributed ledger technology to disrupt traditional financial markets. Major companies like Microsoft and Vanguard are embracing this technology for mainstream adoption. Tokenization enhances liquidity, transparency, and efficiency, reshaping financial product management and accessibility. Tokenization involves choosing assets, deciding token types, and selecting blockchain platforms. It requires third-party auditing to ensure safe tokenization. Issuing tokens and smart contracts ensures ownership management, with tokenized assets traded on digital marketplaces, enhancing safety and transparency. The benefits of asset tokenization are vast, notably increasing liquidity and market efficiency. With blockchain's instant settlement and automated transactions, costs reduce, creating new revenue opportunities. Tokenization also enhances transparency and security, guarding against fraud and tampering. Tokenizing real-world infrastructure opens up new financial opportunities. It changes how assets like currency, equities, and fine art are owned and traded, making them more liquid and secure. Digital assets, such as DAO rights, are included, expanding the digital asset landscape. Real-world assets require careful selection, legal structuring, and custody management for tokenization. The process enhances asset accessibility and liquidity. For example, Oasis Pro's tokenization of the Diamond Standard Fund highlights the investment potential of tokenized assets. Despite its promise, asset tokenization faces challenges, including regulatory hurdles. The evolving legal landscape requires adherence to complex rules. Technical challenges involve securing smart contracts and integrating high-quality off-chain data, crucial for project success. The future of tokenized infrastructure is promising, with major enterprises exploring this technology. Tokenized assets can boost liquidity and transparency across various sectors. New trends include tokenizing renewable energy certificates and integrating decentralized energy systems. As decentralized networks evolve, asset tokenization is set to transform industries like finance and real estate. The future holds potential for more accessible asset ownership, though regulatory and technical challenges remain. This innovation promises a more open and efficient infrastructure management system. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.